Hello everyone, this is DesignCafe Homes and I'm your interior architect Ananya Joes. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Well, I would like to call today's video as Double Dhamaka because it's not just one but two home tours that we have in store for you. A family came to us who had taken 2 units in the same tower of Cote Mirabilis in Bengaluru. Now the challenge was to make sure that each home was unique and different from the other and no elements were repeated in either of the homes. We designed both these side by side. Now we've put the home tour of both the homes together so that you can take a look and get a glimpse of how every home can be unique irrespective of what the floor plan is. Here we go. And there we have it. 2 apartments that look exactly the same in their bare shell but look so different from each other after the interiors is done. Do let me know in the comment section below as to which out of these 2 houses is more your style. Also, if you enjoyed this video, do give us a thumbs up, and if you're looking to amp up your home, leave all your details in the form in the description box and we'll get back to you with a free online virtual design consultation. Until next time, take care, see you all.